Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. Here I am your computer teacher and today is your lesson 1. In this lesson we will discuss chapter number 4. So let's begin. So the chapter that we will do today is chapter number 4, MS Excel, from page number 67 till 71. Okay, the material that you have to arrange for this lesson is a lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, computer book, notebook, a blue marker, blue ink pen, and a ruler. Dear students, please open page number 67 of your computer book. So let's have a look at the objectives of this lesson. After taking this lesson, you will be able to understand MS Excel, uses of Excel, spreadsheet software, components of the MS Excel window, different types of data in MS Excel. So dear students, I hope you have opened your computer books, page number 67. Please write online classwork and day and date on your computer books. So now we will discuss here spreadsheet software. It is widely used in offices and schools. It enables the user to perform calculations, plot charts, and analyze the data in a quick and efficient manner. कोई भी स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर आपको ये फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है कि आप अपने डाटा की डिफरेंट कैलकुलेशंस और वहाँ पे अपने डाटा को एनालाइज कर सकें चार्ट्स के थ्रू बहुत आसानी से उसको अपने डाटा को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकें. It is used in school offices to store and analyze data. ये स्कूल्स में, ऑफिसेस में, बैंक्स में और बहुत सी ऐसी जगह पे डाटा को एनालाइज करने के लिए, डाटा को एक क्विक एंड एफिशिएंट मैनर में स्टोर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. So many kind of spreadsheet software can be used to perform calculation. The various spreadsheet software available in market includes Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice Calc. Microsoft Excel is known as popular spreadsheet application. So we can use many kind of spreadsheet software, but most commonly Microsoft Excel is used for data calculation and for analysis. It is easy to use and easy to perform every kind of calculations in it. Okay, now open page number 68. Here we will discuss about MS Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software that is used to store, organize and manipulate data in rows and columns. So, आप Excel में अपना डाटा रोज और कॉलम्स में एक प्रॉपर मैनर में ऐड कर सकते हैं. In Excel, you can perform complex mathematical calculations with data. आप mathematical calculations भी perform कर सकते हैं. Basically, Excel provides you many mathematical calculations like sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can also find maximum and minimum numbers. It also allows you to represent data pictorially in the form of charts for better understanding and analysis. आप अपने डाटा को एनालाइज भी कर सकते हैं, अपनी कैलकुलेशन की एवरेज भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो एक्सेल आपको ये फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है कि आप चार्ट्स के थ्रू अपने डाटा को एनालाइज कर सकें. सो हाउ टू स्टार्ट एक्सेल? टू स्टार्ट एक्सेल, फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स. Type Excel in the search box next to the Start button. Click on Excel 2013 option. Then an MS Excel window will appear in front of you. So when you open MS Excel 2013, then a window will appear like this. Here some components of the MS Excel window are, you can see here, menu bar, name box, cell pointer, grid of cells that makes a worksheet, status bar, sheet tab. From sheet tab you can add many more sheets in this workbook. Range of cells, you can select many cells, columns, documents view and zoom control. You can also zoom in and zoom out your document. Scroll bar, formula bar, you can write formula here. Ribbon contains many functions of MS Excel. Title bar contain name of your document. Quick access toolbar. From here you can access many tools very quickly and easily. So please dear students, remember these components and also open MS Excel window on your laptops and find out these components. Okay, now open page number 69. Here we will discuss some components of MS Excel window. First one is worksheet. It is a work area made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Worksheet is basically in table form. Workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets stored under a single file name. Your complete file is known as workbook. Row. It is the arrangement of cells in the horizontal direction. So horizontal direction in a worksheet is called rows. Column. It is the arrangement of cells in the vertical direction. So vertical direction in a worksheet is known as column. Cell. It is the most basic unit of worksheet. It is formed by the intersection of a row and column. As you can see in previous one, there are some rows and column in a worksheet. So when row and column intersect, then they make a cell. Cell address. Every cell in a worksheet is identified using an address. Even a single cell in a worksheet has its address, and we can also find the cell by its cell address. Okay, next open page number 70. Here another component is range of cells. It refers to a group of cells adjacent to each other forming a rectangular shape. You can select many cells on a worksheet. Menu bar. It is present right below the title bar. It contains all the menus that MS Excel provides such as file, insert and formulas. Menu bar. On menu bar you can find many other functions of MS Excel. Quick Access Toolbar. It is present at the top left corner of the workbook. As I discussed previously, you can access many functions very quickly and easily. Title bar. Title bar basically present the name of the document. Ribbon. It is present below the menu bar and help us access most options and tools that MS Excel provide. Ribbon contains all the functions that MS Excel provides. Status bar. It is found at the bottom of the Excel window. It displays information such as the sum and average of information in the selection cell. Status bar presents that thing that you select to perform on a worksheet. Name box. It displays the currently selected cell. The cell that you select in a worksheet. Name box. In name box you can see its name. Cell pointer. It is the thick green boundary that surrounds the active cell. When you click on a cell, then it is known as active cell. So cell pointer represents an active cell. Formula bar. In formula bar, you can write any kind of formula and apply on cell. Sheet tab. It is present right above the status bar. It helps us to organize, format, add and delete new sheets. From Sheet tab, you can add many more sheets in a workbook and delete previous one. Document view and zoom control. From this, you can view your documents and zoom in and zoom out your documents very easily. I hope this page and all components of MS Excel window is clear to you. Now open page number 71. Here we will discuss some types of data that we can enter in a spreadsheet. So we can enter numbers, date and time, formula and text in a cell. Let us discuss about these data types in a detail. Numbers. A worksheet is primarily used for the computation of numeric data. Numbers are values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9, including symbols such as plus, minus, division, and decimal point. We can also use characters such as dollar, percentage, and comma with number values. All number entries are right aligned in a cell by default. Some of the examples of number values are as follows. So with the help of number data, you can enter any kind of numeral data or symbols in your worksheet. Next one is date and time. We can enter date values like this and time like this in a cell on a worksheet. The way a date or time is displayed depends on the format applied to the cell on a worksheet. All date and time entries are right aligned in a cell by default. So if you have to add date and time data in your worksheet, then you have to do this format of date and time like this, then it will appear like this, the format you have applied, and all the entries of date and time will appear in right line. Formula data. A formula is a mathematical expression involving number, values, operators such as plus, minus, and cell address to perform calculations on a worksheet. A formula data is basically mathematical expression that you can perform on your numbers. Formula evaluate to a single value. All formula begin with an equal to sign. Some of the example of formula are given here. A formula can also be calculated with cell address and it only evaluate to a single value. And a formula always begin with an equal to sign. So I hope now each and everything regarding this lesson is clear to you, and please highlight these points on your computer book. Okay, so dear students, please open your computer notebooks. Here you can see the one side of the notebook is blank and on the other side you have to write down your online classwork. So please open your notebooks. Dear students, please open your index page and prepare your index page like this. First of all, you will write serial number, then date, and after that you will write topic. Okay, now we'll start our online classwork. So you will write day, date, and topic MS Excel. We will do short question answers today. Question number 1 is name the components of MS Excel window. The Excel window has the following components: menu bar, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, status bar, name box, cell pointer, grid of cells, formula bar, sheet tab, scroll bars, and document view and zoom control. These all components we had discussed on page number 69 of your computer book. Okay, next question number 2 is define formula. A formula is a mathematical expression involving number values, operators such as plus, minus, division, and cell address to perform calculations on a worksheet. Next, we will do exercise question answers. So please write exercise question answers. Question number 1 is what is the difference between a worksheet and a workbook? So we'll write difference like this. The difference between a workbook and a worksheet is workbook. It is a collection of multiple worksheets stored under a single file name. The Excel workbook is saved with the extension .xlsx. Worksheet. It is a work area made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns wherein you enter and work with data. An MS Excel worksheet contains 16,384 columns and 1048,576 rows. So, a workbook can store many worksheets. So dear students, now it's time to assess yourself, and I have prepared some blanks for you, and I'm sure after the completion of this lesson you will be able to solve these blanks. So first one is a formula is dash expression. Second one is title bar is present at the dash of an MS Excel workbook. Third one is collection of multiple worksheets is known as dash. Fourth one is dash is formed by intersection of rows and columns. You can write the answer of these blanks on your computer notebook, and I am sure you will solve these very easily. I hope now each and everything regarding this lesson is clear to you, and you will read your chapter very carefully and do your today's classwork on your notebooks very neatly. So here I have some tasks to do for you. You have to read the chapter from page number 67 till 71 carefully and highlight important points on your books. Make title page of chapter number 4 MS Excel on your computer notebooks, and also learn question answer that we do in our today's classroom. So I hope now you will do your classwork and read your chapter very carefully and efficiently. So here I have a fun fact for you from chapter number 4 MS Excel. The first ever electronic spreadsheet was VisiCalc, which was co-created by Daniel Bricklin and Bob Frankston in the early 1980s. They invented first electronic spreadsheet in 1980s. I hope that today's lesson was helpful for you and you have understood each and every point. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.